How to assemble your A&L handle. Frantic email received from the customer. Great work, they got it quickly, Australia Post, but they were all broken. Our response was swift. This cannot be. Can you please send us an image of what you received and how they look? Email in. Oh, they left us like this, assembled in a bag. Customer received it like this. So we're going to show you how to assemble the handle, just in case yours arrives like our poor customers. Lay out the components like this. You will have 3 plastic components that make up the handle, plus 1 flat spring and a set of keys. Step 1 is to lift the spring and place it in the tongue of the handle. Step 2, locate the tongue and the spring inside the handle. With the tongue and spring in place, take up the handle base part with the barrel in it and sit it inside. With the handle assembled, you are now ready to install it into the window. Remember to check out our installation video for the A&L window handles, or look at the instruction sheet on SKU 2413.
Looking for hardware solutions for your windows or doors? Send us an image of what you are chasing, and the Mr. Windows team will do the rest to source it for you. Remember, any images need to be in JPEG or PDF format. Once you send us an email, our system automatically acknowledges and sends a response with your ticket number, so you feel confident the team has your request and will action it as soon as they can. Stay up to date with new hardware solutions by following us on YouTube. Got a need? Reach out to us and we'll assist you. Subscribe to stay connected.